Hello friends, warm greetings from Eglavi Academy. Today we are going to see the next 5 important questions from higher education. The first one is, which of the following is the parameter for obtaining the Greenfield Institute status in India? The first one is availability of land. Second one is putting in place a core team with very high experience. Then third one, making funds available for setting up the institution. Then fourth one, a clear strategic vision. Option A 1 and 3 only. Option B 2 and 4 only. Option C 1, 2 and 4 only. Option D all of the above. The correct answer is option D all of the above. Availability of land, putting in place a core team with very high experience, making funds available for setting up the institution, then a clear strategic plan. These are the 4 parameters for obtaining the Greenfield Institute status in India. The next question is, which of the following statement is true? Statement 1. Private universities can be set up at state level only. Statement 2. Private universities can be established at the central level also. Then statement 3. Private universities can affiliate colleges. Choose the correct option among the choices given below. Option A 1 only. Option B 2 only. Option C 3 only. Option D all of the above. The correct answer is option A 1 only. The next question, UGC Parama scheme will be operationalized through a dash model. Option A hub and switch. Option B hub and wheel. Option C hub and spoke. Option D hub and cup. The correct answer is option C hub and spoke. Explanation for this question is, UGC Paramas is the scheme under the UGC. The main objective of this scheme is to enhance the overall quality of the mentee institutions and mentoring the non-accredited higher education institutions to enable them to get accredited. The scheme will be operationalized through a hub and spoke model, wherein the mentor institution called the hub is centralized and will have the responsibility of guiding the mentee institution through the secondary branches. The spoke, which are the additional services provided to the mentee for the self-improvement. Then the next question also from the same UGC Parama scheme. Under the UGC Parama scheme, the mentor institution option A should be NAC accredited with A grade having overall score of 3.56 and above. Option B should be NAC accredited with A grade having a overall score of 3.26 and above. Then option C should be NAC accredited with A grade having the overall score of 3.86 and above. Then fourth one is option D should be NAC accredited with A grade having the overall score of 3.16 and above. The correct answer is option B should be NAC accredited with A grade having the overall score of 3.26 and above. Explanation for this question is, the mentor and mentee can be government, aided, private or self-financing institution. The mentor institution should be NAC accredited with A grade having the overall score of 3.26 and above. Any such institution recognized under 2F and 12B of UGC Act 1956 will be eligible to receive the grant for the purpose from UGC. Since these grants will not utilized for infrastructure, it will be utilized for mentoring the institution only. The next question is, which of the following supports the Indian economy in fight against the COVID-19? Option A, Arogya Setu app. Option B, Yuva. Option C, Yukti. Option D, Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. The correct answer is Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. The brief explanation about the Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan will be in the next video. Thank you friends. If you like my videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe the channel. For further updates, you can join in the Telegram group. The link will be provided in the video and the description box also. Kindly refer it. Thank you.